So I'm going to give this Il Makiage a go. It's bespoke. You do a little quiz online and they've come up with shade 40. It says woke up like this, but I think that's what the product's called. So now, I didn't get any sleep last night, so I look rubbish. And I'm 54, if anyone's interested. So let's have a go, have a look, just for match. We'll see, I normally use a brush, so. Let's have a look. It's not bad, is it? Just going to do one half of my face. I'll just pat myself in the eye. What do you reckon? I would say that's really, really good. That's that side. And that's not that, that's that side. It's not like too masky. And I do have a little bit of redness. I might just put a little bit. That's probably yesterday's wine. But I think that's a thumbs up from me. I like that. Let's have a little go on the other side. There's no technique involved at all here, sorry. This is just like slap the bloody thing on. I think I've overloaded a bit there, but we'll spread it this side. There. Ta-da! What do you reckon? I look a bit more awake, don't I? Anyway, there you go. Let's get rid of that bit. That's a thumbs up from me. There you go. Makiage.